Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat again. Check out this black hood, okay? Go and take a step back so they can see it. Look at the way the hood's hazing up. This hood right here, it's oxidized clear coats. Remember, if you don't clean your clear coats, they'll haze up and then they'll begin to peel and erode. So if your paint job looks good when it's wet, when it's like this, dries up and goes back, you need to fix it. Now, this is what you want to use. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. It's not a wax. I'm going to put some on right here, just like that. Okay, now the way you use this is easy. You don't do circles because there's no wax in it. What you do is just go back and forth like this. Now it's really hot right now, but it don't matter. I'm just gonna clean this one spot. You wanna clean the same spot until it completely clears up. And what you end up doing, you end up removing all the contaminants that are embedded superficially in the clear coat, and you're able to clean it 100% back to its original state. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Voila. Okay. So you're not taking off the clear, you're simply cleaning it. Can you see how beautiful that came out? Is that showing up? Okay, so use this to repair the paint. Now this is a wax, and it's our carnauba. This is easy wax. We use this to seal the paint. Okay, this stuff is really good. You put it on. I always tell everybody use both. The reason why is the cleaner removes and cleans the paint effectively, but the wax is gonna lock and seal that beautified paint you just put out. It's gonna haze up a little when you do that. That means it's dry. Take a look at that. Can y'all see the reflection? Yeah, look at that. So if your clear coat is hazing up, don't wax it, guys. Fix it with Lukat Fix It. That'll work on the gloss and the color. It'll bring it back. Go to our website. It's Lukat, spelled with the K, L-U-K-A-T, lukatdetail.com. So check us out. Got questions? You can call us. Man, let's make this world a prettier place.